Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with a Weather Now update for you on this Sunday. Looking at lots of clouds winning out for today. Some rain showers will arrive for the second half of our day. So looking at, again, gloomy conditions at times for your Sunday. Temperatures also rising into the upper 40s to near 50 for the second half of our day as well. Lincoln seeing the clouds out there. Temperatures already rising. Notice the colder temperatures. We had 20s and 30s this morning. We're seeing those kind of fade away as the warmer air takes over. 40s at the shoreline. Again, many of us will be in the upper 40s to near 50 for the afternoon. Satellite and radar showing the cloud cover overhead. Precip off to our west. That'll arrive in the form of some showers for the second half of our daytime hours. Weather headlines: cloudy, chilly start early on, showers in the afternoon hours. Bigger weather headline though, a coastal storm for Tuesday, looking at a chilly rain, a little bit of wintry mix, even a little bit of snow across a few portions of our area. This does not look like a snowstorm for us. I want to emphasize that. But it does look like an impactful but quick system for our Tuesday to Tuesday evening. And then behind this system, much colder air arrives later next week and into next weekend with daytime highs in the 30s and some overnight temperatures in the teens and 20s. So let's just time things out. We'll go forward through the daytime hours. Here's a snapshot. 2 p.m. seeing rain showers around. Again, temperatures by then upper 40s to perhaps near 50 in spots. Notice, though, further west, those temperatures are already a little bit cooler after the rain pushes on through. That's because the front is moving through, and that'll help knock down those temperatures a bit later on as well as our cold front makes its way through the area. Clearing things out overnight, chilly temperatures back for Monday morning in the middle 30s. Sunshine, breezy as well. Daytime highs only reaching the low 40s, so a cooler feel out there for your Monday, but at least not tracking any kind of weather for Monday. Monday's fine. It's more so Tuesday that we're worried about, of course, with this coastal system approaching. This is 6 a.m., seeing some precip entering the area, potentially some wintry mix and or snow further north, some rain at the shoreline. And notice as we go through the daytime hours where that rain-snow line sets up. It's the pink line that you see on your screen. That's the separation of the snow and the rain. And you can see temperatures not too far off from being cold enough for snow, but it looks to be just warm enough. I'm talking, 34, 35, 36 degrees at this time, where you'll be looking at a chilly, cold rain, whereas further inland, central Massachusetts, northern Connecticut, western Mass, southern New Hampshire, and Vermont will be seeing snow because it'll, of course, be colder there. I do think the snow will be kind of more so contained to those inland areas as a result of this system. But notice that rain-snow line kind of hovers over our area. So that's going to be a close call for northern parts of Providence County. If that rain-snow line is another 30, 40 miles north, you'll be looking at plain rain as well. So it's all just dependent on the track of the storm, how much cold air holds on, and how much kind of retreats northward. And that's kind of at play here with this system. Certainly, again, one worth checking back on as we go forward in time. But it's a quick mover. It's out of here Tuesday evening, and by Wednesday, we'll be drying things out. But again, that track is very important. Does it take the green line here, which is a more of a hugging the coastline track? That would allow for warmer air to win out. It would allow for rain to push northward. Or does it take more of that red track, which, of course, would introduce the chance for some more wintry aspects with this system and leading to some more travel impacts as well? Right now, I'm thinking it's somewhere in between the two. And, certainly that can change over the next day or two. So make sure you check back for updates on that. Here's a better way to look at this graphic, a little bit closer up. And you can see this does favor, though, mainly snow across the interior of the Northeast, whereas the coastal areas will be seeing just plain rain. But again, this could, of course, change with, new guidance coming in each day and, of course, multiple times a day. And here's my thinking on the best chance of seeing kind of a plowable snow, or at least accumulating snow, will be northwestern parts of the state and then further back north and west into parts of inland New England. But again, this is our really our first system of the season, and it is again bringing us at least a mixed bag of some precip across the area. I'll leave you off here with a 3-day forecast. Again, late day showers today, ending this evening, drier, breezy for Monday, and then that coastal storm for Tuesday, bringing us some rain, some ice, and even a little bit of snow in parts of the area as well. But check back for updates on that Tuesday storm, as of course we'll have more updates coming your way over the next couple of days. But that is an update on your forecast. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great end of your weekend. Take care.